So I took some time off to go on vacation with my family. And whilst I was away, some sneakers got delivered. But I'm back, and it's time to finally unbox them. So let's see what we have. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back on a video. And today I'm checking out and unboxing around 10 pairs of sneakers that got delivered whilst I was on vacation. Thanks for checking out this video. If you're new to the channel and you like all kinds of content related to sneaker culture, not just unboxings, but reviews, opinions, etc., please consider subscribing to the channel and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I do drop new content. And if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out and unboxing around 10 pairs of sneakers that got delivered whilst I was on vacation. So a bit of background, I took some time off around about a month to spend some time with my family and just kind of recharge. And obviously, if you're subscribed to the channel already, you'll know the content frequency was a little bit less during that time, but I'm back and I've got a lot of content coming and we've got quite a few sneakers to unbox and check out. So let's get to it. Scissors. Alright, so first package we got is from Nike. So it's kind of big. I'm not entirely sure what it is, so let's check it out. Okay. Alright, okay. So here we have a Nike box. So you can see the box is kind of, sneakers kind of falling out of the box. Size tag reads Air Max BW OG and the colorway is Hemp. So this was a Sneakers W that I entered, and well, you can see the sneaker. So here we have the Nike Air Max BW OG in the Hemp colorway. This is fire, I like this. I say Sneakers W, pretty easy, in my size. UK size 13, US 14. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Alright, on to the next one. Full tail. So here we have a blue Nike box. This is an interesting one. Nike have been on this whole ease of use, you know, making sneakers easier for less able-bodied people. And I want to check these out because I thought the colour was fire. These firstly did come out in like a white and a green colour, I believe, which I wasn't really feeling, but this colourway I was feeling. And again, I want to see these in hand, see what the technology is all about. So size tag reads Nike Go Flyease and colourway is Court Blue. I wasn't able to get these in my actual size. I got these in the UK 12, US 13. But again, I want to see what they're like in hand. So let's pop the lid. So here we have the Nike Go Flyease in the Court Blue colourway. I think this colourway is fire. And obviously the main feature of this is the Flyease piece, which is that. So the idea is you put your foot in here and you just, basically there's no laces, it's just almost like a slipper. So you put your foot in here, you push down, and that's pretty much the sneaker. I'm planning to do a full review and hopefully a try on of these. Not 100% sure if they'll fit, but definitely subscribe to the channel if you're not already and check out our video when it drops. On to the next one. Another Nike box. Oh, okay. Pull this out. Alright, so if you can't tell already, this is Undercover on the side, and this colour size tag reads Nike Dunk High 1985/U for Undercover, and colourway is black. And this is actually a size UK 14, US 15. And the reason I went up per size is it did actually say that you should go a full size up because of the tightness of the 1985 cut. Now I do have a couple of other pairs of 1985s, the acid wash in the yellow colourway, kind of the cow print colourway. So I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be too big or what the story is here. But again, I want to see it in hand and obviously try it on and get a review out for the channel. The side box. So let's build this. So here we have the Nike Dunk High 85 Undercover collaboration. So you've just got, on the tongue you've got Nike Undercover, you've got Chaos on the back of the heel, and this is Noise Lieben as well. So plan to do a full review of this, so again subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that video. On to the next one. I've got a couple of honourable mentions. So I do have one sneaker that actually I did briefly unbox but didn't get a chance to actually showcase on the channel, and that is an Air Jordan 1 with a twist. So the size tag reads Air Jordan 1 High Flyease, and the colourway is Cardinal red, and this is UK 13 US 14. So pop the lid, it's a standard Jordan 1 paper. Now this colourway I thought was fire. I actually got exclusive access for this, kind of strange because it's not something that I think everyone's going to go for. But the very cool thing about this is there's no laces. Well, I say no laces, there's laces on the front, but it's actually a Velcro thing. So you open this up and then you've got a zip on the side. So you basically pull this the whole way open. So you pull this the whole way around and you just like put your foot in like that, see? And then, so as I said, there's no actual laces, it's just for design. So again, you can pull that across. So you obviously pull the tongue up and obviously pull that across. So I thought it was a very interesting sneaker. Again, it's to kind of go along with the whole making sneakers more accessible. And I think, you know, Jordan Brand is certainly embracing that with this sneaker. Plan to do a full review and try on of this. So again, if you're interested, subscribe to the channel and check out that video when it drops. So look at this one, sneaker number 5. This is from Offspring, I believe. And I actually got this on a restock. Oh wow, the box is damaged, nice. So this is the size tag reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, colourway is white, light curry cardinal red, UK 13 US 14, pop the lid. You can tell what this is already. This is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Cardinal Red colourway. I think this is fire. I had my eye on this for a few months since it was first announced. Unfortunately I took an L on release day, but I managed to get it on a restock in early February, so really happy to get this into the collection. Plan to do a full review of this, so again, check that out when the video drops. On to the next one. So this again is another box I've opened, but again, another honourable mention. So it's a bit of a weird one because this actually dropped last October for Halloween, but then I randomly got us on a restock size raffle. So wanted to again see it in hand and obviously check it out. So the size tag on this reads Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium, colourway is Sail Starfish Black, and this is just the this is the Nike Dunk Low Premium, which was released for Halloween. I do already have the purple skeleton. I already did a review of that. Link will be in the top of the screen, also the description down below. And I also did a review of the Air Force One for Halloween, and again that will be linked on top of the screen, also description down below. So I wanted to see this, just obviously see it in hand, and obviously give my thoughts and opinions on this. Unfortunately, I think it's in my size, so it's a size 12 UK US 13. I'm not actually planning to do a full review of this, but I do have a black light, so certainly can show kind of some of the features. If you can see that on the camera, obviously it's got these glow in the dark elements similar to what you have on the Air Force One, but again it's a Dunk Low. I wanted it for the collection, but unfortunately it's too small, so I'm most likely going to sell this or either trade it for my size. But again, just wanted to show that. So I'm just going to dim the lights. As you can see, the glow in the dark elements are coming up. So obviously you've got the Halloween themed pieces, as you can see. Funny thing about this sneaker is actually dropping April 1st in the US. So the US is finally getting a release date for all of the Halloween themed sneakers 6 months after Halloween. So it's kind of strange why Nike is still deciding to release those to market. But hey, if you're interested, go cop them. They'll be dropping up to April 1st in the States. So on to the next one. Right, so we have an Adidas box here. Go full tab again. We have a 350 box. And the size tag on this reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2 C Black, C White, C Black. This is a US 14, UK 13.5. So I managed to hit on confirm that for the Yeezy Oreo black colorway. So this is a fire sneaker. I really wanted to get this to the collection. It's an OG colorway. Really happy to have this. Again, full review will be coming, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. On to the next one. Sneaker number 8 is another Nike sneaker. So we'll pop some pull tab on this. So we have an Air Jordan box, as you can see. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Low SE, and the colourway is Cyber Teal. So this again is a US 14, UK 13. I saw this, I had to have it for the summer. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Low SE in the Cyber Teal colourway. This is fire. This is patent leather as well, so this is fire. Let me know if in the comment section down below if you want me to do a full review of this. I just kind of want to showcase it because I think details on this are fire. And obviously it's a nice sneaker for the summer, and obviously another one for the Jordan 1 collection that I have. Sneaker number 9 is... This is from Foot Patrol. So I got this in a Foot Patrol raffle. Again, this is a bit of a shock to me because I didn't expect to hit on this. So really happy about this one as well. Another 350 box. So it's a Yeezy Boost 350 V2. The colourway is Sea Black, Daz Blue, Sea Black. Size is UK 13.5, US 14. So I took an L and confirmed that, but I just got the Dazzling Blues. So that's another fire sneaker. Really excited to try this on. I hear the fit is a little bit different, so I want to obviously see for myself and obviously give my opinion. So yeah, review of this will be coming. So again, stay tuned to the channel for that. And sneaker number 10. This for me is a major W because I did not expect to cop this at all. So again, this is a Foot Patrol raffle win. What else is it? We do have a small test. So. Right. Now this is one I wanted for time. Bang it down. So here we have a Nike Sacai box, as you may or may not have seen these before, and this is a silhouette that I have wanted for time, and finally have it in a fire colorway. So the size tag reads Nike Vaporwaffle / Sacai. The colorway is white sail, UK 13, US 14. So slide the box on this. Fire. The Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle in the white sail colorway. My god, that's a beautiful sneaker. Whee! Now, I have already got a pair of the Sacai fragments down here, so I'm kind of familiar with but this was the original OG silhouette, and I'm really happy to have this in the collection. So full review of this definitely coming. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already yet, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when this video drops. So what do you think of these pickups? Anything you like, anything you don't like, let me know in the comment section down below. I really appreciate that feedback. For me, this is a mix of, you know, sneakers W's, raffle wins, and confirmed wins as well. So really happy to have all these sneakers. Can't wait to obviously try them on, get them on foot, and obviously get reviews out for the channel. So definitely, as I said, stay tuned for those. So thanks for checking the video. If this is the kind of content you want to see, you know, sneaker unboxings, anything related to, you know, Yeezys, Jordans, reviews, opinions, etc., please do consider subscribing, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop videos for all of these sneakers that I covered today. And if you did like today's video, I want to see more, please do give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy. I'll see you in the next video.